Reverend Brooke Rolston, a retired American Baptist ordained campus pastor who worked at a student church center near the University of Washington, Seattle. And he's seeing Sep1258, which he saw on the very first week after I had done just the drawing in pencil of Denise McNair, the girl who was murdered.
Yes, yeah. It is, of course, more rich than when I saw it that day. What I like is that there's a kind of a quick diffusion of everything around her, and she is still crystal clear.
Huh. Nice
she's
observation.
Holding her precious doll, an almost teenager, her life taken away from her simply by race hatred. Yes, Akiva, it's both lovely and terrorizing.
And terrorizing.
Yes,
interesting.
it is. I don't know what else to make of Trump and the Ku Klux Klan.
I tried to, with all the allegorical sea monsters, including the small black and white ones as well as the two big multicolored ones.
Yes.
You know, I was thinking about all the teaching I did in schools for years and wanted to do something that would be thought-provoking and could be interpreted by pupils, school students,
Yes.
children,
Yes.
adolescents of her age, and
For her
teens and college students and so on, as well as adults of all ages.
Yes, dear God, yes.
Thank you, Brooke.
Thank you, Akiva.